Hello everyone, in the today's video we are going to discuss about Raja Rao's life and important work and some important awards given to Raja Rao in the field of literature. So let's start. These are some important books written by Raja Rao: The Chess Master and His Moves, it is a novel; The Serpent and the Rope, The Kanthapura, The Cow of the Barricades, and The Cat and the Shakespeare. So let's start from the question number 1. Where was Raja Rao born? Delhi, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Mysore. Correct answer option number D, Mysore. Raja Rao was born on 8th of November 1908 in Hassan, in the princely state of Mysore, now is in the Karnataka in India. Important information about Raja Rao's life. Born on 8th of November 1908, died 8th of July 2006 at the age of 97. Occupation writer and professor. Language Kannada, French and English. Period belonged to 1938 to 1998. Genre novel, short story and essays. Work in the field of this. Alma mater Osmania University, University of Madras. Spouse Suzanne, Catherine and Camille. Next question. Raja Rao was born on dash speaking Brahmin family. Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam. Correct answer option number C, the Kannada speaking family. Raja Rao was born. He was born in the Kannada speaking Brahmin family and was the eldest of the 9 siblings, having 7 sisters and 1 brother. His father taught Kannada at the Nizam College in the Hyderabad. His mother, Goramma, was a homemaker and who died when Raja Rao was just 4 years old. Raja Rao wrote his early short stories in which language? Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi. Correct answer option number C, Kannada. Rao wrote his early short stories in Kannada while studying in France. He also wrote in French and English. These are some notable work. Novels: Kanthapura, The Serpent and the Rope, The Cat and the Shakespeare, Comrade Kirillov, The Chess Master and his novel. These are some short stories of collection: The Cow of the Barricades, The Policeman and the Rose on the Ganga Ghat. When was The Cow of the Barricades and Other Stories published? 1947, 1940, 1950, 1955. Correct answer option number A, 1947. Raja Rao's short story written in 1930s were collected in The Cow of the Barricades and Other Stories. What was the name of the holy cow in Raja Rao's The Cow of the Barricades? Ambe, Gauri, Uma, Shakti. Correct answer option number B, the Gauri. The Cow and the Barricades. It is a collection of 9 short stories published in 1947. In the first story, the holy cow, named after the goddess Gauri, is an expressive symbol of the Indian synthetic of tradition and modernity. Which of the following works of Raja Rao mismatched with its publication date? The Policeman and the Rose, 1978. On the Ganga Ghat, 1989. Changing India, an anthology, 1939. The Cow of the Barricades, 1937. So here mismatched option number D, The Cow and the Barricades, published in 1947. What was the setting place of the novel Kanthapura? Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Vishakhapatnam, Mysore. Correct answer option number D, Mysore. The Kanthapura, written by Raja Rao, was an account of the impact of Gandhi's teaching on non-violence, resistance against the British, published 1938. The story is seen from the perspective of a small Mysore village in South India. Kanthapura, it's a novel, published 1938, These are some main characters: Achakka, Rangamma, Bade Khan, Bhatta, Ratna, Murthy, and Mr. Skeffington. So genre novel and fiction. This is the theme of the Kanthapura, the story of how Gandhi's struggle for the independence from the British came to a typical village, Kanthapura. It is in south in India. What is the name of coffee estate referred to in Kanthapura? Skeffington Coffee Estate, Huntington Coffee Estate, Kanthapura Coffee Estate, या Mysore Coffee Estate? Correct answer option number A, Skeffington Coffee Estate. It is a very large coffee plantation beside in the Kanthapura, owned by a white man who is popularly known as a Hunter Sahib. Which of the following works is a semi-autobiographical novel written by Raja Rao? Kanthapura, The Serpent and the Rope, The Chess Master and His Moves, The Meaning of India. Correct answer option number B, The Serpent and the Rope. It is a semi-autobiographical novel published in 1960. It is recounting a search for the spiritual truth in the Europe and India. This novel established him as one of the finest Indian prose stylists and won the Sahitya Academy Award 1964. The Serpent and the Rope. Second novel. It was first published 1960, written in autobiographical style, deals with the concept of existence, reality and fulfillment of one's capabilities. Published 1960, genre novel fiction and autobiographical. Characters K.R. Ramaswamy, Rama, Madeline and Gauri. What was the meaning of the title The Serpent and the Rope? Servant and honor, shopkeeper and customer, stick and rope, illusion and reality. Correct answer option number D, illusion and reality. The serpent is the title refers to illusion and rope to reality. What was the genre of Raja Rao's novel The Cat and the Shakespeare? Crime fiction, metaphysical comedy, thriller, tragedy. Correct answer option number B, the metaphysical comedy. The Cat and the Shakespeare. Published in 1965, it is a metaphysical comedy and that answered philosophical questions posed in earlier novels. Who was Ramakrishna's spy's friend in Cat and the Shakespeare? Govindram, Radhakrishnan, Rajarao, Govindan Nair. Correct answer option number D, the Govindan Nair. Govindan Nair is a very sharp and down-to-earth philosopher and a clerk who tackle the problems of routine living with extraordinary common sense and the zest. This person is Nair's friend, neighbor and also the narrator of the story. What was the profession of Govindan Nair in The Cat and the Shakespeare? Deputy Commissioner, clerk, politician, businessman. Correct answer option number B, clerk. Govindan Nair was a clerk in the Rational office in Trivandrum. Padmanabha Iyer is a character taken from which of the following works of Raja Rao? The Cat and Shakespeare, The Comrade Kirillov, On the Ganga Ghat, The Policeman and the Rose. Correct answer option number B, The Comrade Kirillov. Raja Rao's novel, The Comrade Kirillov, is a sketch of a South Indian Brahmin whose real name is Padmanabha Iyer. He dedicated himself to the political reform, especially the cause of Indian independence. Which of the following works is a novel written by Raja Rao? The Cow of the Barricades, Policeman and the Rose, On the Ganga Ghat, The Chess Master and His Moves. Correct answer option number D, The Chess Master and His Moves. Published in 1988, this novel tells a tragic love affair between an Indian mathematician and a Rajput princess, Jaya Lakshmi. These are some notable awards: Sahitya Academy Award 1964, Padma Bhushan 1969, Neustadt International Prize 1988, Padma Vibhushan 2007. Next question. Which of the following writers received Padma Vibhushan along with Raja Rao in 2007? Khushwant Singh, Amitabh Ghosh, Arundhati Roy, E.K. Ramanujan. Correct answer option number A, Khushwant Singh. Khushwant Singh received Padma Vibhushan along with Raja Rao in 2007. What was the name of the journal co-edited by Raja Rao and Ahmad Ali in 1943-44? National Herald, Hindustan, Dainik, Young India, Tomorrow. Correct answer option number D, Tomorrow. Raja Rao co-edited with Ahmad Ali a journal from Bombay called A Tomorrow in 1943-44. In which year Raja Rao got Padma Bhushan Award? 1960, 1965, 1972, 1969. Correct answer option number D, 1969. Raja Rao received the Padma Bhushan. Which one of the following works is not written by Raja Rao? The Guide, The Meaning of India, Serpent and the Rope, The Cat and the Shakespeare. Correct answer option number E, The Guide. Not written by Raja Rao. It is written by R. K. Narayan. Written in the year 1958. R. K. Narayan, he was an Indian writer known for his work set in the fictional town Malgudi. He was a leading author of early Indian literature in English along with Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Rao. What was the reason of Raja Rao's death? Heart failure, accident, renal failure, drowning. Correct answer option number A, heart failure. Raja Rao was died on 8th of July 2006 at his hometown at the age of 97 years. So now we move on to at the end of this session. So like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query then you can write me in a comment box below. That's it for today. See you soon for the next video. Till then, bye.